My daughter was a few feet away and he wanted to kill me. I had to shoot. I never thought I'd get locked up and charged with murder. Here's what happened. I found out my family member was attacked and assaulted the previous night, so I went to help her. We were in the entryway when the attacker came back. So I did, what anyone would do. I positioned myself between them. I wanted to de-escalate the situation, get him out of there, and keep her safe. This guy was angry. He wouldn't listen. And when he tried to rush in to get past me, I kicked him back down the steps. So he ran away and I ran to the truck to get my phone. I still remember looking in and seeing my daughter's face before I started dialing 911. That's when the attacker came back, and he was holding a metal pipe. So I threw my phone on the seat and I grabbed my gun. I didn't have a choice. This guy is nuts and he's gonna try to kill me and hurt my family. And seeing the gun didn't faze him. I drew on him, I yelled, "Stop or I'll shoot," but he ran straight at me. Look, I never thought this would happen to me. I never wanted to shoot someone. When the police showed up, things just went bad. I thought they were doing their job, but I was handcuffed and taken to the station. Within hours, despite my testimony and my family's, I was charged with first-degree murder. I was sitting in jail. I was desperate. I was praying. And all of a sudden, it hit me. I remembered I had this membership in the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. And I remembered it includes help from the critical response team. I was able to pass a message to a family member, and they called for me. That one call changed everything. They immediately connected me with an attorney from the USCCA Attorney Network, and he went right to work on my case. He drove to the jail to meet me, and he worked hard to connect the dots the detectives had missed. It took a long time and obviously took a toll on the family, but he finally got all the charges dropped. In the end, the attorney fees were $68,500. I don't know what I would have done if I had to pay for it all out of pocket. Honestly, if I didn't have a USCCA membership, I think I'd still be in jail awaiting trial, or in prison convicted of a crime I didn't commit. Getting to hold my daughter again, I'll never forget that moment. Keeping my family safe is my first duty as a father. But to do it right means you've got to train and be prepared. Now I tell every gun owner I know, they need to have the 24/7 critical response team on speed dial. Ask yourself, what if you were forced to defend your loved ones today? What if you had to press the trigger? If there's even a slight chance you might have to someday, then you need the powerful resources of USCCA membership.
Insurance has been purchased by the USCCA and is one of the benefits of membership in the USCCA. Coverage and benefits are subject to the terms, conditions, and exclusions of the insurance policy issued to the USCCA. Every USCCA member is an additional insured on that policy. Information provided herein is for informational purposes and is not intended to be a representation of coverage that may exist in any particular situation. USCCA membership is not available to residents of New Jersey, New York, or Washington State. Contact Delta Defense's customer engagement team at 1-800-674-9779 with any questions. Delta Defense LLC provides sales, marketing, operations, and administrative support services to the USCCA and is a licensed insurance agency in all 50 states and the District of Columbia, with its principal office in West Bend, Wisconsin. Delta Defense LLC does business as Delta Defense Insurance Services in California. California license number 0M34093.